Hello friends, are you struggling to write grammatically correct sentences in your research paper? Are you struggling to rewrite sentences grammatically correct in your research articles? So here comes the solution, a fantastic tool that can correct your sentences grammatically and punctuation mark everything grammatically correctly. Thereby you can use this correct sentences in your research paper. So some of the reviewers can give a comment that change your language, like that you will be getting your comments. Many of you people can know. In that extent you can use this kind of tool to overcome such answers and you can give grammatically correct sentence. Let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important options available in this particular tool. Welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. The tool what we are going to discuss today is that Linguix, a free writing assistant. So it's a AL based spell check function that instantly detect and correct misspelled words in your writing, leaving embarrassing typos like that. What are the important mistakes we will do regarding typing, so it will change that. So let us go on to that Linguix and explore that what are the important options available. You can add it as your Chrome extension also, and you can download your software also. So here I have already login through my Gmail ID. So here I joined for only free option. So for free option you will be getting, so I am going to copy and paste here a particular sentence. Let us see how it will correct grammatically. So here I am going to copy and paste this particular sentence and I am going to paste here. So here you can see 3 clarity improvement needed. So what are the 3 clarity improvement needed? You can see here environmental emissions. So here after clicking that you can give it as a better. So after that giving it as a better, it will give suggestions regarding to that paragraph. So thereby you can change that paragraph accordingly by giving the suggestions. So the click right next recoups. So next renewable energy. So these are the things you have to watch out for. Next our text score will be 91%. So thereby you can improve the quality of your writing using this Linguix. So here for free option what are the things it will available means. So here you can see for free options you will be getting only grammar and punctuation, fix basic grammatical errors using our algorithm. So you will be getting this only. So for your improving the content quality, advanced writing recommendations, next full sentence rewrites, team's style guide. So like that for the important options, here you can watch out for the important options. So you can see here $5 per month. So this is a best deal I can say, because it will improve your content quality and also advanced writing recommendations, full sentence rewrites, team style guides. So these are the important things which will make your sentence in your research paper very better. So just by checking grammar and punctuation is not enough. So you can subscribe if you want. If you want to write grammatically correct sentence, you can subscribe this kind of options and you can use it for use it to improve your content quality. So this is the important thing related with this. So here I am going to copy another sentence. So here I am clicking that. So again another option will be you will be getting. So like that you can differently rewrite grammatically correct sentence using this tool. And important option is that you can click here let's write. So like a tool what it can be done is that write a follow-up email after meeting, write a cover letter for a job application, write an apology letter, write a blog post, write a press release. So here I am going to click a blog post. What is the main topic of the blog post? Like that it is asking the questions. I am going to give renewable energy. So just I am blankly give a common topic. So let us see. So here the content for blog post is generated using this Linguix. That is, it is grammatically very correct because it is already a tool that which gives the grammatically correct sentences. Thereby you can use this option to create a blog post using this Linguix also. So here you can insert So thereby you can check again, one clarity need to be improved. So see here, one clarity need to be improved, like that you can check that one. So for better clarity you have to upgrade to Pro. So here you can see like that it will generate a content, and then that content, so here is a grammatically wrong sentence, here it is highlighted, so you can change here, or you can replace with the synonyms particularly. So these are the also an important option. So let us see, write a cover letter for a job application. So what are the job you are applying for? So I am going to apply for a job for assistant professor. So let us see how it will generate a cover letter for a job application. So I am going to click now. So here you can see I am writing to express my interest in the assistant professor position, Department of Sociology at your esteemed institution. Like that it will generate the covering letter content. So my research includes, like that you can make use of this option. So according to the job option, it will generate your letters. So thereby you can use this kind of let's write option to make your that is, you can improve your grammatically correct sentences to improve your such idea. So like that you can make use of this option in this Linguix. So here I am going to click dashboard. Here this is app, you can go for this app. So here you can see Linguix for Chrome, Linguix for Firefox, Linguix for Edge. So like that, different for different browser it will be having your extension. You can install, click here to install and download this extension, and you can add your extension in your web browser also. So these are the important options available in this grammatical checking tool, that is Linguix. It is a AI powered tool. So hope this video will be very helpful for you to write grammatically correct sentence. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.